once again, people in here, welcome to another video. And today I'm going to be doing another burping video. How do I say that so fast? Okay.
I don't know.
I say that so fast. I say it faster every camera. I say that faster every video.
Does he? Tell me if this is good. Tell me if that's good. What is it?
They're talking about some stupid game that I don't care about.
That's not even yours. It's just
They're talking about some stupid game that I have no idea what they're talking. Get out of the camera!
Can't get out of the camera. Okay.
We're doing a burping video. I'm out of soda.
You know who I'm going against?
Stop getting in the camera.
Sit there. I'm gonna go against Trey.
Stop.
Little kid, I will kill you.
I know a way to get her to go.
Avery, stop. That was in my face. Yeah, definitely was.
Get down.
Yes.
I got tackled right when I caught the ball.
My siblings are so annoying.
Hey, I don't do anything.
Why am I at information?
Stop. Stop. This is all the video's gonna be, just me yelling at somebody. Just stop. I'm gonna try and knock him out.
Ow! Stop kicking me! Ow!
I'm gonna knock him out using my bird.
I need black hair guys.
Sniff it. Wait.
Ew, I can smell it. It's disgusting.
Stop! Stop! Don't make me throw up! Stop! Okay, you're done. You're done! No. 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 What is no? No.
Infant burp. I can infinitely burp. You'll never stop me.
Fucking on! You flicked my phone. Wow. Did you hear what she said? She's like,
Okay, boys, get your stuff together and head outdoors.
yeah.
Okay, everybody's just being so annoying right now.
Right. Connor, I think I'm gonna do this set and see what I get. No. I'm gonna stop it. Stop it!
Okay, I've heard enough of that.
Okay.
Dress and get
That's not short.
I've got to
Blake, stop. Just kidding.
No, she's coming. She's coming. We gotta run.
tell you something. You mind me. You hear me? Get dressed.
Run. She's coming. She's gonna kill me. Run. Run for your life. Ah! Ah! Wait, what? No. I've changed clothes. No, her powers have made me change clothes. I'm no longer in my pajamas. Well, anyway, I'm dressed now.
Alright, let's go.
Do we have to go outside?
Yes.
Why?
I'm not going to put up with this today. I've got things to
Be
do.
on camera.
Get out, Rugrats.
She's mean.
She's the best granny you got.
She's mean.
She's the best granny you got.
Put posters up, says all around the street saying, "She's mean.
Granny's wonderful.
She's mean." She's pushing me outside now. Okay, well, got nothing else to do, so.
Ching chong.
Say bye, guys.
Baby.
Don't
Say bye.
show the number. The number on the door.
So I guess, she kicked us outside, so we have nothing to do. We have nothing.
Am I
to
in
do,
the camera? Because I
yes.
can't see.
So, yeah, I guess that's it. I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.